Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne, the Property Hats New York City team. Hope that you are having a fantastic day. So if you live in the New York City area and you are looking to sell your property, what is your biggest concern? What is your biggest fear? What is your biggest question? Are you looking for the best possible price? Are you looking to get out as quickly as possible? Do you have a concern over people coming into your home thinking during COVID that it's not safe? Are you concerned about the marketing of your property? Are you concerned about how your condo or co-op, the rules that they have in having open houses happen? What are your questions? What are your doubts? I'd like to chat with you briefly to see if there's any way that I can overcome some of these obstacles that you might have, and see if I can give you some answers to see if I can help you accomplish your goal and move forward to the next stage of your life. So reach out to me. Once again, it's Kilby Browne, the Property Hats New York City team. Hats off to you. Have a fantastic day. I hope you saw my video yesterday that talked about some of the market stats of the first week that the New York City market is reopened. Check out that. I have other YouTube videos on tips for COVID, how to show your property during COVID. I have a number of YouTube videos. I think I am on day 49 or 50 of my 90 straight day YouTube video challenge. So there's a lot of content out there. It's all for free. Just take it, look at it. You get an idea of some of the stuff that's happening in New York, and then some scenes from some of the suburbs of what's going on in the New York City area. So have a great day. Really appreciate the fact that you're with me today. All the best and stay safe. Bye-bye.